Hello, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can implement the risky feature circle from GitHub. So basically, this is my backlog module in ALM Octane, and here's my backlog hierarchy. I'm currently focusing on a APIC. So let's say here I'm in the client information system, and I can now go to the features to see what kind of features I have here. I can see there are different features with linked to different defects. And now I would like to understand what is the risk which I defined here in this demo as a combination of severity and priority field on those defects, which are opened or new. So all the fixed defects and so on, the defects which are closed will be ignored. Yeah? But here you see basically all the defects which are linked to the features. So let's see how the circle can be generated. So I can say for the APIC, I would like to select all features and now show feature circle. This will now call a Python Flask resource, which will then generate me such a circle. And this circle, you can see it here, defines or shows me a summary of all my defects by their priority and severity. So I can see that this Advantage Online Store purchase is not very risky for me, so it's okay. But here the account search and also the store database, they have a higher risk because the combination of all the open or new defects, the severity is around 4 and the priority is around 2.7, yeah, of all the opened and new defects. And same I can see for the account search. So let's go back here to account search. So for account search, severity is around 4.1, which is quite high. And priority is also around 2.87. Yeah? So this way I can see where I need to focus on. So these are probably the critical features. The other ones are also not so critical as these two. So now let's generate this for another APIC like this one. Here I have a client information system. Also, I can select here all the defects, all the features I have. And based on this filter, even I can apply a filter like I select a release. Then this filter will be used for all the external actions I will call. So let's say accept. And now I can see here the feature circle, the risky feature circle for the client information system APIC. So I have 5 features. I can see it here. And the probably highest one is Advantage Online Store on Cloud Database. Has the highest risk because priority and severity both are at 5. With Advantage Online Store, Cloud Database, severity and priority are much lower. And for the others, it's also low. So priority is higher, but the severity is not so high. So I need to more focus on Advantage Online Database and maybe these two where the severity is also high. So let's see how you can generate these kind of things. So now I'm back in ALM Octane. So let's go to the GitHub repository here. In GitHub repository, you will find all these features and reporting external actions. So you see here exactly what you need to implement, what is the requirement to for you to be able to generate those kind of charts from ALM Octane. And once you have it, you can select here these kind of different reporting types. My defect, my feature circle, I have not yet committed, but it is here. So you can see it here. If I go here to my README file. Okay, so here you can see this is the risky feature, and you can find it here on the external action, feature reporting, the code I will just commit in few seconds. And then you can implement it. Yeah. So you will find also a demo video, exactly the one I'm showing, and a description how you can use this report external action. And once you have implemented this, you can go to the external action editor JSON file of this under this folder feature reporting. And this is basically the action you need to copy paste. So this is the button you need to copy paste for in Octane to appear. And then you are good to go.